everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tumblr Funguiman, and the video you're about to watch is older than my channel. I had a channel before this that has long been deleted, so any reference to that channel has been edited out of this video, but it's back from July 2018, and I figured that my video skills are a lot better than they used to be. So, may not be the top quality video you're used to know and love, but I really take pride in this video because it's a shredder that I used for quite a long time, and I had a lot of fun. Hi everyone! I decided to take a break from the computer and take something apart for all you YouTubers. Today, I'm going to be taking apart this crosscut shredder. I bought it with my own money in 2013, and it served me well. And this just yesterday, it broke on me. So I'm going to follow in the footsteps of what's inside, and I'm going to take this thing apart. First off, I'm going to see if there's any screw holes that I can... First off, let's get this thing out of the way here. This looks like this is broken. So let's see if I can break that off or get some wire cutters and cut it off here. Get this out of the way first. The heck. Let's break it off. This is the part of the shredder that compressed the material down. So let's get this little thing off here. There we go. Oh, nice and ripped. This is what compressed the material down, and it looks like it's a stretchy, sticky type of material. I don't know if you can see that from the camera angle, but I just compressed it down. And then this is also, and on top of that, I'm going to snip this plug here, because I'm taking it apart and throwing it in the dumpster because it broke on me and it had a nice long life. So just let me snip this power cord into sections here so it can fit the dumpster more easily. So this is the top piece. Nothing really exciting to look at. So now let's take a look at the meat here. It looks like we got 4 tiny screws on either side of the. Oh, this is a Michael Phillips head, but it works anyway. What I need is a Michael Phillips head. I got a Michael flat head to take this off, and it's an Embassy shredder, like Embassy. I don't know what model it is, but again, I bought it in 2013, and all the screws are going to be taken off. If you can see that screw there, I'm taking those off. It is very bright out in my yard today, so I have a hard time seeing the camera. So, I never thought it would work, but a flathead and a Phillips head seems to work here, so. Second screw, I got 2 more screws to do here. Taken off. Let's see if this made any progress here. If I have to take off more screws. It looks like if I'm going to get any more, I have to take off more screws. So I need this. Is it the same? What do I need in there? Let's just get a bigger Phillips head out of my dad's toolbox here. Oh, there's a little bit of shade. Here we go, over on the side there. Oh. Get a Phillips. big. Considering this is more of a dissection than anything else, whatever could be broken off is going to be broken off. Oh, take a look at the blades here. That's what cuts the paper. So it looks like those are knot screws in there. I'm gonna get a hammer. I'm gonna take a hammer, try to pry it open. There we go. This is slightly working here. Let's see what we got inside here. These are the blades. This is some of the electrical work here. Let's see if I can undo some of the screws that are holding the motherboards together. I can show you the guts of the operation. The rest of the top. The rest of the top. And this is, I actually have the bin of said shredder. That's what I'm sticking all the parts into. Then I'm going to throw them into a nice green dumpster. Looks like I got some more smashing to do, so excuse me for just a second while I have a little fun with my little friend here. My hands might get a little greasy, but it's a whole part of taking a shredder apart. It's finding out where everything is and get a little messy. Alright. So we gotta get the bigger hammer out. Hey, this is a roller. I don't know if you can see that, but that white part is a roller. This is what made the paper glide so smoothly through the shredder. Because if you have a paper shredder at home, you know it glides nice and smoothly through it. And here's the other roller. It's got that vinyl, whatever it is, covering on there. And this vinyl covering is right below, it was right above the blades here. Vinyl covering was right above the blades, and I had the paper glide ever so smoothly. What's not coming off smoothly is the vinyl plastic part or whatever it is. And now here is the guts of the shredder. This stuff here is a yellow kind of dusty film on it. That is paper dust and burned grease. And they got 3 lights here. I don't know if you can see them, but if you can't see them, one light bulb is yellow. That means the shredder bin's full. One light bulb is red. That means the shredder is overheating. And the last one is green. That means the shredder is on and good to go. Now I'm going to get to the messy part of the shredder here. As you can see, that's the motor. It's kind of like the whole motor and the transmission part of the shredder here. So I'm going to take that off. And hopefully not get my hands any messier than they are, because I did just get home from work about maybe an hour or so ago. But that's the greasy part. There's a whole bunch of coagulated grease, and a lot of it's just very thick. It's probably a mixture of grease and oil. Imagine a car engine and a car transmission, but scaled down about like 10,000 times. But the one thing I will do is snip off the electrical components. As you can see, they're held together by, I'll show you, they're held together by a zip tie. And that zip tie is cut. That's how it was made during the process. So, snip it off. This is the guts. It's an orange, if I didn't snip it off, I actually took it apart regularly, I could actually sell these online. But no. Snip. I can actually go further and take the 4 screws off of this piece, what looks like the main circuit board, and I could take off these 2 components and then this long component, which looks like maybe the brain and the processor of the shredder. But right now my main focus is to take apart the engine and the tranny here, or transmission. Ew, got all that grease. Transmissions and engines are dirty, whether it's cars or shredders. And I took apart 4 screws, so that means this heavy metal part came off here. This is the cover to some of the gears. I don't know if you can see it, but it is absolutely covered in this oily, greasy substance. I don't know if it's grease or oil or... Well, it's what lubricates the shredder, so I shouldn't be too disgusted by it. One gear, another gear, and what I'm left with when I take the 2 gears off is this bigger gear here and some smaller ones that look like they... Oh, I found what works the shredder. I turn the biggest gear and it works the blades. I turn it very slowly and it works the blades very slowly, so I found the part that ran the shredder, and I don't know if I can't pry that off. So what I'm going to take off now are those 4 screws. Okay, I took off the 4 screws, and this part came off. It is absolutely covered in grease, so I'm just going to kind of wipe it off in the grass here and put it in the garbage. The next thing, I don't really think I can do much else, being these blades are a very durable metal. And I think this is really all that I can do. Also, here's the motor. I'm gonna do one more thing before I end this video. I'm going to take off these screws here. And show you the copper inside this motor here. Whoa, this is a lot longer of a screw than I thought it would be. And this is the covering that came off it. If I pull hard enough, the core will come out. I'm pulling and I'm trying to pull this core out. This is probably some horrible backlighting because it's so bright out, but this is the little hole, and this is the core. And it looks like, this looks like a little drill bit to me. And it looks like it got a little spring here. And really all that's left is the shredder blades here. And considering the blades are solid metal and they're too hard to take apart, I'm going to leave you here. Once again, my name is, well, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.